Health officials say they are making changes to the state's COVID-19 tier system, which could soon move San Diego County into a less restrictive tier. ABC 10 News reporter Marie Cornell shows us how vaccine distribution will play a huge role in this change.
State health officials say they're making changes to the COVID-19 blueprint because of the latest data, and now there are 3 vaccines that will be available for use. As soon as the state vaccinates 2 million people who live in the areas the state considers as the most disadvantaged zip codes, metrics of moving from the purple to the red tier will change. Right now, the case rate metric needed to move into the less restrictive tier is 7 new cases per 100,000 residents. It will now be 10 new cases per 100,000 residents, which is where San Diego County currently is, which means the county may soon move to the red tier. Dr. Mark Galley, the secretary for the state's Health and Human Services Agency, says they are doubling the allotment of vaccines for the hardest hit communities. But it doesn't end there. They are also making sure those vaccines get to the right people.
To make sure that the vaccines that arrive in the communities are reserved for those who live in those communities, because sending it there is one thing, but ensuring it gets in the arms of those who are most vulnerable in these communities is a whole nother.
Galley says once the state reaches 4 million people within those designated communities, there will be changes made to the requirements needed to move from the orange to the yellow tier. He adds the new designation of vaccines will not impact the next group in line to get the vaccines, which are those 16 to 64 with high-risk conditions and disabilities. He believes the state will hit the marker for 2 million vaccines within the next 2 weeks. Marie Cornell, ABC 10 News.